stupid cable!
Ah! Reapers! What is good? It's your boy Laser. Using the vibes, we're back with another scary reaction video. Using the reaction content so I can continue to deliver it for you guys. If you're reacting to Ring doorbell footage that would shock you. But if you guys enjoy the reaction content, these more reaction videos like this in the future, somebody hit that like button. You subscribe. Hey, turn noise on. It takes less than a second. I also stream every night on Twitch. Go check out the streams, Brother Liddy. Let's dive straight into this video. Alright, bro. Ring doorbell footage. Here we go, bitch.
In this first gripping Ring doorbell footage, we delve into a nighttime
here,
scene
bro?
that captured the actions of two individuals with nefarious intent. As darkness cloaked the surroundings, these two men brazenly...
Bro, first mistake was keeping your door unlocked, bro. Who keeps their car parked outside at night unlocked? Let alone, why do people park their cars? Why they need to just put them in garages,
targeted
bro?
a parked car, seizing the opportunity to pilfer all the valuable treasures it held within.
Was there condoms in there? Was there fucking, Thomas the Train dildos? I have a dildo right here, so put it up their ass. What do we got here, bro? What's going on, man? Damn, so what did they even steal, bro? What did they even steal, man?
In this captivating Ring doorbell footage, our lens focuses on an unsettling incident where two individuals, both women, step onto someone's porch with a distinct purpose in mind.
They got back
As
from
the
school?
camera captures their every move, we witness them methodically surveying the area, their intentions veiled in secrecy.
They come back from school or some shit, bro?
What?
Bro, what? What are they even trying to do?
Come on, man. That's your one. It's this one. That's your one. I said, hurry up.
What?
In this intriguing Ring doorbell clip, our lens captures the actions of a lone individual as he approaches someone's porch with an air of secrecy. With each step, his intent becomes clearer, to seize the items thoughtlessly left outside. As he swiftly gathers his ill-gotten gains, a getaway vehicle patiently awaits, ready to whisk him away from the scene.
What, bro? What do they do? What's going on, man? Oh, they're about to take him, bro? Take his ass. He in that car. He gone. That boy dipped. He dipped. That boy going to the circus, bro.
In this unsettling Ring doorbell clip, we witness a woman whose demeanor suggests a state of instability as she approaches someone's front door with an almost frenzied demeanor.
Oh, hey, baby.
With an almost obsessive curiosity, she opens the drop box position.
She holding salvia in her hand? Salvia. Who wants to do salvia with me, bro? Let's have some astral projection. I'm already took salvia, bro. Now I'm like this. You know what's crazy about salvia, bro?
Seemingly driven by a quest for any hidden
Salvia
treasures
literally
it might
makes you,
contain.
like, I haven't done it before. I just know
Her
that
actions
shit
blur the line
is bad,
between
bro.
the ordinary and the inexplicable,
The videos I've seen from
prompting
it.
us to delve deeper into the motives behind her erratic behavior.
Don't worry, bro. She's just trying to give some salvia to people. Bro, I would probably do salvia just once just to see how it is. People tell me it's fucking insane, though. Like, the shit it does to you is crazy. Like, it's probably the most intense psychedelic out there. I haven't even done psychedelics myself, but if I did do one, bro, it would definitely, like, not be that one. You know what I mean? Oh, my ears! My fucking ears, bro. Holy shit. Dun dun dun.
In this tense Ring doorbell footage, a group of
Oh, he's lighting one up.
displaying the markings of a street gang converges upon someone's premises with a palpable air of intention.
Wait, what's going on, bro? What's going on, man? Bro, those blue collar men are insane, bro. Bro. Have you had, bro, you wanna know what's crazy about the blue collar men, bro? Bro, I could never be like an electrician, bro, because one day you could just be chilling, bro, working on a machine, bro. You know, you're switching all the wires and shit. And then next thing you know, bro, this happens to you. Twirling around like a ballerina. Nah, but for real, like I cannot be an electrician, bro. That's just not for me, you know what I mean?
In this suspenseful Ring doorbell
see the
clip,
good in all things, that's facts, bro.
in
Have some
disguise
gratitude,
approaches
guys.
the residential abode
See
with
the
a
beautiful things,
clandestine
little
objective.
things.
With measured steps, he makes his way towards the front entrance, his identity concealed and intentions uncertain. As our lens captures his every move, we witness a moment of suspense unfold. He presses the doorbell, a subtle gesture to ascertain the presence of occupants.
Hey,
within.
baby.
Meanwhile, his watchful eyes survey the surroundings, mapping out the terrain of opportunity.
What's going on here, bro? What's he doing, man? He's probably tripping off shrooms himself, bro. Oh! Why do they always ring
We
it
can't
over and
answer
over?
the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Will, can you help me out, please?
Oh, go.
Can you help me out?
Run! Please eat my shirt and have some shrooms for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Let's go trip and go on fucking Mars.
Will!
Yeah.
Hello, what do you want?
Oh.
Hello, is the guy here that brings water here?
What's he saying, bro?
Say that
Hello,
again.
pizza man.
I need his help if he can help me move my bag.
Bro.
Can I please talk to you?
You're what?
If they have jumper cable.
Oh my god.
Jumper cable.
Ah! My ear. Oh, my ears. My eardrums. This is what they sound like right now. I'm gonna play the drums for you guys. Oh, yeah. Oh, my ears.
I just don't have any jumper cables.
You want no jumper cable?
Bro, shut up.
No, no jumper cables.
Please, so I can move my bag. Please?
No, I have no jumper cables. You cannot use my van. You need to get out of my yard.
Bro, why is the person... Nah, I'm not even gonna say nothing. Oh. Oh.
In this intriguing Ring doorbell footage, a man who appears visibly tipsy, his
Oh, bro, look at Beer Belly Joey over here, bro. Had 10 Bud Lights, bro. Some Cool Lights. Some Hennessy shots.
It's betraying a sense of unease.
Look at
As
him,
he
bro.
navigates towards someone's front door, his demeanor takes on a suspicious cast, hinting at an illicit motive. However, the
Buddy looks
narrative
zesty
takes a
as
sudden
fuck.
twist as the homeowner steps in. With a blend of caution and determination, the homeowner intervenes, confronting the situation head-on.
Oh, so the homeowner actually comes out. This is like the first time I've seen the homeowner actually do something. They usually just talk to the doorbell. But this guy looks like he's a good driver. Make him my Uber driver, bro. Give this guy the keys, bro. I'm on the highway to hell. Leading to our death.
Good evening.
Good evening, madam.
Stop you off the porch.
This is private property.
Yes, it is.
I apologize. I'm so sorry.
Leave.
Buddy, I know he stinks, bro. I
No,
just
leave the property.
I stuck my stuff in the garbage can.
Get your stuff and go.
the fuck, bro.
Go.
Bro, I like how they act all tough on like not the homeowner. I'm just talking about like the people that come to the house. And as soon as they hear the doorbell sound go off, like the person talking through it, they start turning into like a pussy
In this
cat,
covert
bro.
ring doorbell footage,
Stupid
our lens
cat.
captures a lone figure, a man, as
Stupid
he
dog.
approaches a shoe rack
I love that
left
scene from
outside.
Courage, bro. Whenever
With
the grandpa
calculated
says that
movements,
shit.
he brazenly plucks shoes from their resting place, his actions marked by a deliberate...
Bro, who leaves their shoes on a rack outside their fucking house, bro? Imagine just leaving fucking like Jordans and shit, bro. Like imagine if the person doesn't even steal them, they just decide to scuff them, bro. Like, alright, let me take it. I'm creating some static energy, bro. Guys, did you learn the 3 laws from Isaac Newton? Did you guys know that Albert Einstein created Jordans? Static friction, bro. Static friction unlock. My hands. I just got a fucking paper cut.
intent.
But he's doing all those fuckers. Like, who the fuck just keeps their shoes outside,
In
bro?
this gripping ring doorbell footage, a man who, shrouded by the cover of darkness, enters someone's premises with a clear agenda.
What's on
Armed
his
with
agenda?
a torchlight, he methodically surveys the area.
What's on his
In
agenda,
this
bro?
intriguing ring doorbell footage, our lens captures the actions of a man who has found himself on someone's porch, driven by a determined search for valuable items. With deliberate movements, he navigates from spot to spot, his vigilant eyes surveying the surroundings.
Ooh. What's going on, man? What's he digging for, bro? Digging for that soil, bro? Someone growing something in there? That's a guy, bro. What the fuck? Is he wearing short, bro? Are those... Is he wearing his undies? Damn, it's crazy. Well, guys, there was this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Guys, those were some creepy-ass videos, bro. Like, if someone ever came to my doorbell like that, bro, I'd be like, what the fuck? If you guys enjoy scary content, you want to scary videos like this feature, you guys know what to do. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.